Have you been sluttified? Have you been sluttified? Have you been sluttified?
Cook good and look good.
This content is not made for ages under 18. Thank you. Bye. What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you for returning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good. Yeah. It's been a long time since I've had a copycat video on the channel, but nonetheless, I am that girl. So without further ado, you know we went to Slutty Vegan, me and Boston Bossy at the beginning of the pandemic. And it's one thing to have somebody that eats like a pescatarian, omnivore, and a carnivore tell you about some vegan food that's seasoned in. But it's a whole nother level to have an actual vegan on the channel. Somebody that's plant-based, that knows how plants should taste.
Me, too.
A real vegan on the channel. We are doing a copycat fried pickle recipe. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. Do it. It's right here. Go ahead.
I want to be slutted out. I do.
Shopping, we go.
Oh, did they get new doors?
So we need to get kosher pickles. We need to get oil and flaxseed. Okay, berries and tofu. Okay.
Frozen berries or?
Absolutely never frozen. We're gonna have to get real blackberries. People know I'm coming because you can hear my keys and
You loud. You like a soccer mom.
oh God. Look here, guys. Have you seen the multi-pack chips? Oil is right here.
Oh, this is just the recipe.
Yep. Bob's Red Mill never ceases to fail us. Once again, my friend, check prices. This is $2.59, right? Their own store brand of flaxseed is $4.99. So let me tell you, $2 price difference. I'm about to go ahead and get what I can when I can because real know what it is.
I ain't never seen pickles over here before. That's crazy.
Learn something new every day here. I'm gonna get these. Tofu is cheap as hell, my boy.
Yeah, it really is. But like this, but like nothing. Like once you cook it down, it don't even be that much. Yo.
All right.
Oh,
got
okay.
everything.
Period.
So we had to make the sauce. The GoPro is making it easier for us to show you the nitty gritty of the details. So we started off with some blackberries, right? What we are making is a blackberry sauce for the lovely accompaniment of the fried pickles, okay? And all I'm doing is just kind of busting it down just a little bit with this wooden it spoon.
It's a little hot over here though. Ain't nobody scared, you know, flinching. I have to. Everybody.
Got a little acid. I added a whole pint of blackberries. Okay, so what's now happening is a simmer process as Taylor busts down these lovely blackberries. We're gonna add that sugar right there on the counter. It's going to create a lovely mother freaking compote. We're gonna put that in the refrigerator to cool. Once that cooling process happens, we'll be able to make a combination of our vegan mayo and blackberry sauce.
Okay, so I just put the whole thing?
Yep.
Whole thing. Whole thing. The whole thing. The whole thing.
And we're gonna let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Hey y'all, if you notice that there is any GoPro footage missing and I'm tilting towards the GoPro, it's because that footage was meant to be there. So it squeezed me like I'm squeezing these berries and enjoy the video. Yeah, you want to taste it? Give me that hand.
Okay.
So now we are making the lovely motherfucking vegan mayonnaise. So it's pretty remnants of the lovely regular mayo combination. Get yourself a protein, get yourself oil, get yourself fat, and get yourself acid.
Okay.
Mustard is a part of the flavor. I do not have no Dijon, and I was not about to buy no Dijon. I'm American.
Mellow. Period.
And we're just gonna put this whole thing in here because I'm pretty sure I can just give you the rest of this.
Okay. Ooh.
Silk and tofu, girl. Then I got garlic pieces. We'll just break this in half.
Ooh, can I break one too?
Yep.
Okay, so.
It's because you got the nails. Let me see. It's on and poppin'.
I don't even know how she said.
And everything going here. I just let the ancestors talk to me. That's why I'm not getting no extra. This is a combination of 3 micron drips. This is olive oil right here. Yeah, this is what we do in the food industry. Get the other end dip like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so we had to get real kosher pickles. And in slutty vegan style, we're gonna get yourself some really good slivers in there. She like cuts the spirit in half, then she cuts it again into fourths. So almost making like this string type situation. These pickles taste like they got wasabi in them.
Do they?
No. Get yourself this much cornmeal, right like that. Some flour, somewhere between 3 and 4 cups cornmeal and 1 cup of flour. Okay, so some Queemie drip, 3 spice combination, salt and pepper until the ancestors tell you to stop. Lemon pepper, that's about 10 rounds. Got myself some paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and the rest of this cayenne. Just like that. Stir it in.
I think I had fried pickles all one time, and I ordered them like from Simcoe. Don't do that.
We're going to bring back my favorite method in the world, wet hand, dry hand. And then what we're going to do is get our lovely pickles right here. Get the lovely egg alternative dipped, shake it out.
Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry.
Yeah. Girl, I feel like the best thing about frying vegetables is that you can take it either to a fish angle or a chicken angle at any moment.
Yes. Good and good.
The fried pickles, and then we have this berry mayo.
aioli, basically.
Yeah, that's about the amount I want of the vegan mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna get some of this blackberry compote and put that in there. Just like that.
Ooh.
And mix it together just like this.
Right. Right.
Right.
Wow. That eyes. On dogs. Like, on dead dogs and a lot of dogs. On every dog.
It's really surprising. Girl, this is good.
That's what I'm saying.
And understand this is a ancestral recipe, meaning that there is no mother freaking written notes to it. So hopefully you caught it. Some tips right quick. If you know this is too salty, add yourself a little bit more cornmeal. Add yourself a little bit more flour until it's not as salty. If it's not lemony enough, add yourself some lemon pepper. Don't trip. This is a easy, forgiving dish, okay? All right, for a copycat, that's all that. For more copycat videos just like these, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Super duper easy. It's that red button below. Click it. You won't regret it. You could be just like Taylor, eating that right there. It's your girl Queemie Jones.
It's your girl Taylor. They can find me on Instagram. Y'all can find me on Snapchat. Y'all can find me on Facebook. Y'all can find me on Twitter. Y'all can find me on the internet at sunbyxi.com.
And that's on period. All right, y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Check 2, 2, 1, 2.